I got lightning now all up and down the... Yeah, that line's coming towards me. There's lightning in it.
Hammered.
You on that sucker, man? I'm up here watching it coming towards you. Wow.
Huge.
I know. Whoa! Right in front of me. Wow. Lightning right in front of me. Wow. Holy smokes.
Pictures.
Oh my gosh, that was... There's lightning right out in front of me. Pull up the window. I'll be cracked by lightning here.
Yeah.
Come on the, like I said, I'm north of you, and it just clipped me a little bit. You know, now I'm watching towards your location, and like I said, I'm gonna... Whoa! Whoa, that was huge! Oh!
Call ended.
That was on the ion right in front of me. That was a huge strike. Huge strike.
Alright, I'll have to go check it.
Yeah, call me back. Let me know if you... Whoa! There was a big strike right out there by the house, straight